What's up guys, it's Joshua C here, and can you notice what I have today on me? Yes, the all-new Apple Watch Series 7. And what's my thought about it, and what's the difference between the Apple Watch Series 6? Well, let's head to it. So basically, if you're currently using the Apple Watch Series 6, well, this one is just a minor update to you. The Watch Series 7 on the whole outlook is pretty much the same as the Apple Watch Series 6, but with a larger display, faster charging, and new aluminum color options too. You got the green, blue, product red, starlight, and midnight. So the one I got here is the new green aluminum color and the clover sport band. First, let's talk about the body frame and display size. This time, the body frame size will be 1mm larger on the Series 7, which are 41mm and 45mm models. As for the display here, you can notice that the bezels has become thinner to make the space for the larger display, and it has 20% more screen area than the Series 6. That's not just it, because after wearing it for almost 2 weeks now, I've noticed that the display is not just only brighter, but even when it's dimmed with the always-on display, it's always much brighter or more visible than the Series 6. So with the new larger display, Apple also added in new watch faces like this contour design with the new wrap-around effect on the edges, and when you turn the knob, the numbers will flow through it. Pretty neat here. Just that with this design, when you're under the sun, there's some reflection on the side, which is pretty annoying at times. That's not just it. Because of the larger display here, Apple has redesigned its buttons to fit the larger display, like bigger buttons on the calculator, as well as you get to read more text than the Series 6 whenever there's a text coming in, so you won't miss out the whole messages in one glance. Speaking about texting, well, now there is a full-size keyboard on the Apple Watch Series 7 here, but I'm quite skeptical about it at first. But because it is a swiping keyboard and also with some aid of the auto prediction, it's surprisingly accurate while typing on it. Of course, if you're driving, don't text while driving. You can use the voice text command to reply your text messages, and it's nearly 98% accurate most of the time. Just that if you use Malaysian slang, well, you know lah. And now this watch Series 7 is IP6X dust resistant with a tougher front crystal which can resist better from cracks. Water resistant is still the same. You can go for a swim with up to 50 meters. You also got a new feature on the watch like the ECG app here. Now for the battery, for a person like me who wears 24/7 for sleep tracking purposes and also alarm purposes, well, it can last me around 1.25 day max. If you're not using it too much. If you go to the gym or use for your maps, well, it can only last for a day max, and it will totally shut down in the midnight. So if you try to pull it through your midnight sleep and sleep tracking without charging it, well, it can't. But charging wise, with the new USB-C charger here, it did charge up pretty fast. Say within an hour, you could charge from 0 to 100%. So it is like what Apple mentioned, 33% faster than the previous Series 6. Through my 2 weeks of wearing it, well, the one thing that I like the most is the conveniences that it brought to me. Because you can immediately unlock your MacBook when I'm wearing it on my wrist, and whenever you're out and wearing a mask, you can directly unlock your iPhone. And I think the best part here is for those of you who have some disabilities, well, you can just turn on the excessive touch and hands gesture. You'll be able to control your watch with the gestures. So overall, to me, if you're an Apple Watch Series 6 user, well, I think you can wait for the next one. But if you're from an Apple Watch Series 3, 4, 5, or a first-time new buyer, well, I would definitely recommend to get it. The only thing that I wish that Apple could work on for the next one will be extending the battery life. So that's all for today. Let me know what do you think about the Apple Watch Series 7 in the comments below. And if you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. I'm Joshua C. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!